Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve question number 30, NEET Physics paper 2014. Students, let us solve this question which is number 30. In an ammeter, 0.2% of main current passes through the galvanometer. What is an ammeter? Ammeter is a device which has galvanometer and a low resistance connected in parallel with this, that is the resistance S, that is a shunt resistance. Now this says that 0.2% of the current passes through the galvanometer. So through the galvanometer 0.2% of the main current, suppose the main current is I, so 2.5% of I is passing through the galvanometer. If resistance of galvanometer is G, the resistance of ammeter will be what? So what is the resistance of the ammeter? This whole device is ammeter. This whole device is ammeter, and the resistance of the ammeter, that is the combination of these two resistance in parallel, is product divided by sum. Because we know that when two resistances are parallel, we can write the effective resistance is product by sum. So this is what is the resistance of this ammeter. Now G will be as it is because it is given G, so answer will be in the form of G. Obviously the answer is in the form of G, and we have to find the value of S. To find the value of S, one information is given: 0.2% of the main current is passing through the galvanometer. So current through galvanometer is this. We know that the fraction of the current passing through the galvanometer can be obtained like that. Ig is the current that is passing through the galvanometer over the main current is given by S over G plus S. This is how you find, because Ig, how you find this is from the division of current or current divider method, that if I is the current coming in, then I want the current to whatever current I want here, then I would write the resistance of this one divided by total resistance in the main current. So the main current is here, I can multiply that here. So what was the situation? What I was telling you is that if I have a resistance G here, one resistance S here, main current is I, what current is flowing through here? Ig. If I want Ig, then how to find Ig? Ig will be, see this resistance in the opposite arm, write down here, total resistance you will divide here and multiply that with the main current. So from here I'll write Ig over I, this goes to that side, is S over G plus S. This is how it is done. Otherwise you can do one thing, that this current that is flowing through this here is I minus Ig. You can write this way directly, or if you want, then if out of Ig is moving through this and then the rest will flow through this one. These two are in parallel connections, so potential difference will remain same. Ig or G must be I minus Ig into S. So if I solve that, Ig G equals to Is minus Igs. This goes to that side and Ig common. This is G plus S. This becomes Is. So from here Ig over I equals to S over G plus S. This one is same thing. So this is up to you how you find that. Now coming back to the question, that I have used this expression Ig over G is this, and is given that is 0.2% of the main current. That means 0.2%. That means Ig over I is 0.2%. Okay, so out of 100, 0.2 is passing. That means this is 2 by 1000, and which is 1 over 500. So Ig over I is 1 over 500. So if I put Ig over I is 1 upon 500, then G plus S is 1 upon 500. So if I cross multiply, I will get 500S equals to G plus S. Or this comes to that side, this is 499S is G, and S is G divided by 499. G divided by 499. Okay. Once I get S equals to this one, and G is I have to take G only, so I have to use this formula for parallel combinations of two resistors. This formula I will apply, and I will get the answer. So if I want to apply that, what I will do, I will just put it here. The resistance of the ammeter is product of over the sum of the resistances. G will remain. S is we got G divided by 499. I'll put it here. G divided by 499 divided by G plus S. S is this is value of S. G divided by 499. Here it is G square. Here G common. One G will cancel out, and this is 1 is left here. So this is G divided by 499 divided by 1 plus G, 1 plus 1 by 499. That is 1 plus 1 by 499 is 500 divided by 499. This 499, this 499 will cancel, and you are left with G over 500. So this is the resistance of ammeter we are getting, and if I see the option, then it is option number 3, which is G divided by 500. G divided by 500. So students, that is the answer to the question number 30, and thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you.